Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular drones, the DJI Mini 4 Pro and the 2KHD drone. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a high-end drone designed for both beginners and experienced users, offering advanced features and exceptional video quality. On the other hand, the 2KHD drone is a budget-friendly option that provides essential functionalities for novice pilots. In this video, we will explore their key specifications, features, and performance to help you decide which drone is the right fit for you. When it comes to pricing, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is significantly more expensive at $1,159, reflecting its premium features and high-quality camera capabilities. In contrast, the 2KHD drone is priced at just $169, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers or beginners who are just starting their drone journey. This price difference highlights the varying target audiences for each product, with the Mini 4 Pro catering to those seeking advanced technology and the 2KHD drone appealing to casual users. In terms of camera quality, the DJI Mini 4 Pro stands out with its impressive 4K video recording capabilities at 60 frames per second, delivering stunning visuals and clarity. This makes it ideal for professional use and high-quality content creation. On the other hand, the 2KHD drone offers a lower resolution at 2Ks, which is sufficient for casual users but may not meet the expectations of those looking for high-end video performance. The difference in camera quality is a crucial factor to consider based on your intended use. When comparing features, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is equipped with advanced functionalities such as omnidirectional obstacle sensing, smart return to home, and various flight modes, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots. In contrast, the 2KHD drone provides basic features like altitude hold and one-key takeoff/landing, which are user-friendly and ideal for novices. While the Mini 4 Pro offers a more comprehensive flying experience, the 2KHD drone remains a solid choice for those who prioritize simplicity and ease of use. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a premium choice for those who prioritize high-quality video, advanced features, and longer flight times, despite its higher price. The 2KHD drone is a great option for beginners seeking an affordable, easy-to-use drone for basic aerial photography. We hope this comparison has helped you in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.